So I've been testing the LG 27GM950B in 2026, and honestly, this monitor is still kind of a legend, but it's not perfect anymore. On paper, you're getting a 27-inch 4K IPS panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and when you actually use it, the sharpness is still insane. Text looks crisp, games feel super smooth, and motion clarity is genuinely impressive for a 4K display. But here's where it shows its age. HDR is just okay, not the punchy, wow kind you get from newer OLED or mini LED panels. Blacks are still more gray than deep, and contrast is very average for IPS. Gaming performance is still strong though. Low input lag, fast response times, and it pairs well with high-end GPUs if you can push it. So is it worth it in 2026? If you find it at a good price, yes, it's still a solid high-refresh 4K monitor. But if you're paying premium money, newer OLED options are simply better. Bottom line, still good, just not king anymore.